Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to use AI assistant to automate marketing agencies. So I run a marketing agency and want to use an AI assistant to answer customer queries regarding services, campaigns and pricing via WhatsApp instantly. And my AI assistant is going to respond to my customer queries on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it, and that knowledge base contains details of my business. So firstly in this video we are going to create an AI agent. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to build this automation or this AI assistant, then let me take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video I am going to show you how you can create an AI assistant for marketing agencies. So right before you on my screen you can see this is the AI assistant I have created, and this AI assistant is going to fetch the details from the knowledge base I have created, and this knowledge base contains details of my business. Now as soon as someone will type any query, my AI assistant is going to fetch the details from this knowledge base and provide details to my customers. And this is going to help you to engage your customers more with your business and help you to connect with them even when you are busy or unavailable. So let's start creating this automation, but before that I'm going to show you the real working demo of this AI assistant. For that, let's move on to my WhatsApp with me. So here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I'm going to enter a message to the number which I've already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. So here this number is saved as test number. So I am going to enter a message that is, hey, I need help, and this is the user's first message, and I am going to tell you about the user's first message while creating the AI assistant. So here I have entered this message that is, hey, I need help, and now I am going to wait for the response of my AI assistant to check its proper working. And here my AI assistant is responding to me with a message which says, I am here to help. Could you please provide a bit more detail about what you need assistance with? Now let's enter another question for our AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this question that is, provide me the details of services you offer. And here my AI assistant is responding to me with a message which contains the services offered by Brand Boost Marketing, and the Brand Boost is the name of my brand. So here you can see these are the services. Now let's enter another question for our AI assistant. Now here I am going to enter this question that is, how can I promote content marketing? And here my AI assistant is responding to me with a message which contains the strategies by using which I can promote content marketing. Now let's enter another question for our AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this another question that is, tell me about the plans you offer for marketing. Now let's enter this question, and here my AI assistant is responding to me with three main plans for marketing at Brand Boost. So here you can see my AI assistant is working properly. Now I am going to show you how you can create your own AI assistant from scratch. For that you simply have to use Pabbly Chatflow. Now for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you simply have to type its URL over the new tab that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL you will be getting the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user you can simply click over the sign up free, but if you are an existing user you can simply click over the sign in. And before moving on forward, I am going to tell you about Pabbly community. So here you can see this is the page of Pabbly community where automation users, marketers and business owners gathers to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant update regarding using the Pabbly applications. So you can also join Pabbly community and grow your business with us. And if you wish to join the Pabbly community, you can find link in the description given below. Now let's move on to Pabbly Chatflow again without wasting the time. And here I am going to simply click over the sign in, as I have already an account on Pabbly. And as you finish your sign up, you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the products provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create an AI assistant, we just have to access this Pabbly Chatflow app. Now for accessing this Pabbly Chatflow app, you simply have to click over the access now button, and as you will click on access now, you will be getting the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow. And here you can see we are getting the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow, and as you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing the Pabbly Chatflow app. And on the dashboard page, you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account, and you can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on this add WhatsApp number button. And on this add WhatsApp number button, you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can simply click over this WhatsApp Connect, and if you want to connect with token number, you can simply click over the Manual Token Connect. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contact, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant which we are going to create now, activity log, settings, get help. So if you want to learn more about these features, you can find link in the description given below. And if you wish to create your own folder, you can simply click over this create a new folder button, and you can create your own folder from here. And now as we are going to create an AI assistant, we simply have to click over the AI assistant given on the sidebar, and as you will click on the AI assistant, you will be getting this AI assistant page. And here you can see these are the AI assistants I have created in my account. And now I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of how you can create your own AI assistant from scratch. For that, you simply have to click over this add AI assistant button, and you will be getting a dialog box where you have to provide a name to your AI assistant. So here I'm going to provide the name that is Brand Boost Marketing, which is the name of my brand. So here I have entered this name, that is Brand Boost Marketing, and here I'm going to enter the AI. Now we simply have to click over this add AI assistant button, and we will be landed to the AI assistant page. So here you can see somewhat my AI assistant look like this. And on this AI assistant page, over the AI instruction section, you can see it is asking me to select the instruction type. So here I am going to select the instruction type as AI agent. But if you want to select the custom prompt, you can select it over here, and you will be getting the prompt instructions. And here you can also select another instruction type such as customer support agent, sales agent, language tutor, coding experts, life coach, futuristic fashion advisor. But here I am going to select this AI agent, and as I've selected the AI agent, I am getting some of the instructions. So you can also add your own instructions over here. Now moving on further, we are getting the option for AI configuration. So on this AI configuration, we are getting the option for temperature. So here temperature basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So if you move towards 0, your answer will be more focused, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative. But here I am going to keep it as the same, that is 0.5. Now further, we are getting the option for selecting the AI to use. So I will be selecting the AI that is OpenAI, and afterwards we are getting the option for selecting the model. So I will be selecting the model that is GPT-4o mini. You can select model according to you. Now further, we are getting the option for pasting the API key. So now you might be thinking from where we can get this API key. So for getting this API key, you just have to visit this help text which says kindly visit your OpenAI API's key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So for getting the API key, we just have to visit this OpenAI API's key page, and as you will select the OpenAI API's key page, you will be getting this API keys page. And here you can see we are getting the option for create new secret key. So you just have to select it, and you will be getting a dialog box where you have to provide a name and project name, and simply click over this create secret key button, and your API key will be created. But here I already have an API key, so I will be just pasting it over here. Now we simply have to click over this connect button for connecting this API key, and here you can see this pop-up means we have successfully connected this API key. Now further, we are getting the option for AI assistant settings. So you can manage settings such as header message, footer message, stop keyword, retry attempt, fallback message for your AI assistant. So if you want to provide a header message, you can simply enable it and enter the header message. Likewise, you can simply enable the footer message and enter the footer message over here. And afterwards, we are getting the option for stop keywords. So stop keywords are the keywords that can stop your AI assistant. Now let's say I want to stop my AI assistant as soon as someone will type stop. So for that, I have to make the word stop as my stop keywords. So you just have to type the word and press the enter key, and your stop keyword is ready. Now as soon as someone will type the stop word, my AI assistant will be stopped. But here here I am going to keep it as disable. Afterwards we are getting the option for retry attempt. So retry attempt basically specifies the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the value range of this retry attempt is from 1 to 10. But here I am going to keep it as disable also. And after that we are getting the option for fallback message. So fallback message is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly, and here we are already getting a fallback message, and you can enter fallback message according to you. So here we are done with this AI instruction section. Now let's manage the knowledge source. So in this section we have to provide the knowledge base which contains details of our business. So here you have to upload the file, but you have to remember one point, that file format will be only accepted in .txt and .pdf, and for the .pdf we have a limitation that if PDF contains image, it is limited to only 10 pages. Now we just have to upload our knowledge base, and for uploading it we have to get the file into .txt or .pdf format. So for that you simply have to go to file, and on the download section you can see we are getting the option for plain text.txt and PDF document.pdf. So here I am going to just select this plain text.txt for uploading my file, and likewise you can download your file. Now here I have already downloaded my file, so I will be just uploading it by selecting this button, that is choose or drag a file here, and here you can see I have landed to my download section, and here I am going to select this file, that is brand boost marketing. So let's select this file here, and here our file has been uploaded and processed successfully, and as we have uploaded the file I am getting this name and the vector ID. So here we are done with the knowledge source. Now let's configure assistant interface. So on this assistant interface it is asking me to enter the header display heading name. So on this header display heading name I am going to enter my brand name, that is brand boost marketing, and this heading name is appearing over the preview of your chat bot. Now further we are getting the option for subheading name, and we are already getting a subheading name, that is we are online and happy to assist you, and this subheading name is appearing over the header section of the preview of your chat bot. Now further we are getting the option for initial message, and we are already getting one initial message, and this initial message is appearing over the preview of your chatbot. Now if you want to add your own initial message you just have to type it. Now let's say I'm going to enter this initial message, that is hello, so you just have to type it and press the enter key, and here our initial message is ready. But you have to remember one point, that you can create only 2 initial message. So I'm going to remove this initial message which I have recently created. So here we are remained with only 1 initial message. Now further we are getting the option for display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you want to display this powered by Pabbly label which is appearing over the footer of this preview of the chatbot, you can simply enable it. But if you want to disable it, you can press this disable, and here you can see the powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared. But here I am going to keep it as enable over here. Now further we are getting the option for footer text, and we are already getting a footer text, that is privacy policy, and this footer text is appearing over the footer section of our chatbot. So you can provide the footer text also. Now further we are getting the option for footer link. So if you want to provide any footer link, you can provide it over here. Now at last we are getting the user's first message. So user's first message is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp from the user's side as the initial message, and here we are already getting user's first message, that is I need help, but I am going to convert it as hey I need help. So here we are done with the user's first message also. Now let's provide styling to our AI assistant to customize its visual appearance. So on the styling section it is asking me to select the theme mode, which is already selected as light. Now let's change it to dark over here, and here as I have selected the theme mode as dark, the preview of the chatbot has been changed in dark theme mode, but I am going to keep it as light over here. Now further we are getting the option for assistant shapes. If you want to provide any shape to assistant, you can provide it over here, and here we are getting 3 options for assistant shape, that is circle, square and rounded square, but I am going to keep it as circle over here. Now further we are getting some of the properties for which we can change the coloring of the chatbot. Now let's say I am going to change the coloring of this assistant background color property. So for that we just have to select the color, and here as I have selected the color, you can see the property of the preview of the chatbot has been changed. So you can also change the coloring of many properties likewise. Now further we are getting the option for header profile picture, assistant profile picture and and background picture. So if you want to provide any kind of these profiles, you can add it over here. Now we just have to enable our AI assistant, as we are done with the creation of our AI assistant. Now for enabling it, you just have to click here for activating it. Now we just have to save our AI assistant. For that, you simply have to click over the save AI assistant button, and you can see we are getting this pop-up, which means we have successfully saved our AI assistant. Now if you wish to embed this AI assistant to your business, you can simply click over this embed button and you will be getting the script code. Now you just have to paste this script code over your business and your AI assistant will be embedded. So this is the way you can create your own AI assistant. Now I am going to show you how you can activate AI assistant for any chat. So for that, you simply have to go to inbox given on the sidebar, and as you will click on inbox, you will be landed to the inbox page. And here you can see, as I have clicked over the inbox, I have landed to my page, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account, and on this particular number you can see we are getting the option for choosing the AI assistant. So you just have to enable it, and from here you can choose the AI assistant which you want to activate. So here I am going to choose the AI assistant which I have recently created, that is Brand Boost Marketing AI. Now we simply have to click over the save button for saving this AI assistant, and here our AI assistant has been enabled successfully. Now let's move on to our WhatsApp for testing this AI assistant. So let's move on to my WhatsApp with me. Now let's firstly clear our previous chat, and here I am going to enter the user's first message which I have recently told you about. So here I am going to enter this message, that is, hey, I need help. Now let's enter this message and wait for the response of our AI assistant. And here my AI assistant is responding to me with a message that is, of course I am here to help. What do you need assistance with? Now let's enter another question for our AI assistant to check its proper working, that whether it's responding on the basis of the knowledge base or not. So now let's enter another question, that is, tell me about your plans. Now let's wait for the response of our AI assistant, and here my AI assistant is responding to me with a message which contains 3 main plans. Now let's move on to my knowledge base and check whether is this the plan I have provided over that or not. So for that, let's move on to my knowledge base, and here let's search for the plans, and here my AI assistant is providing me the same plans and pricing which I have entered in my knowledge base. This describes that my AI assistant is working properly. So you can also create an AI assistant like this for your business by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing automations like this. Thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.